Hello guys, welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So let's start with today's topic, that is what is OSINT and how to get started with it. Okay, so what is OSINT? OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence, which refers to any information that can legally be gathered from free public source about an individual or an organization. In practice, that tends to mean information found on the internet. Okay, let's say you are a hacker and your target you have a target. Now what the first thing you will do is Google about this target. Okay, you will visit different social media platforms and find more information about this target. So to do this, to automate this process, to find out where this person, your target, has account on, you will be using this tool, Sherlock. Okay, uh, now Sherlock is a very simple project. It just tells you where your target has accounts and where you can and gives you link of that account. Now these information may not look very important, but these are, if you are an ethical hacker, these informations are very important to you, because based on these informations you can create a vulnerability for this person, your target. Okay, so the installation process of this is very simple. You just have to clone this project, go in that directory and install using this command, this one. Okay, now I have already done this installation. I'll put the link of this project in the description, so that if you guys want, you can try it out. The first thing I'll show you is uh, the arguments which are available. So this is a help menu of Sherlock. If you guys want, you can try it out on yourself. Type in your username. I'll show you how to do that. So we'll do Python 3 Sherlock, and I'll give a timeout of 1, and I'll give a username Cybermentor. Now Cybermentor is an ethical hacker. Now when I click enter, this project will go around different website and will look for different usernames or different accounts that looks for Cybermentor. Now this can be for true and this can be false. Now this depends on you have to visit each and every website. You have to find out which one is true, gather information, create a vulnerability. If you are an ethical hacker, if you are just looking for how a person can, what informations, what your informations are available on the internet, you can just type in your username, your Instagram handle or your Twitter handle, and find out whether which other platforms already have registered you. Okay, so this kind of information is very useful. If you really want to try it out, just use the similar process which I have shown. That's it for today. This has been a very short video. Hope you guys like it. Like this video, share with your friends, and please do subscribe. Thank you.